Now, Storm Alert Weather 12 with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
Great news from Mount Ashland that's opening later this week. They received quite a bit of snow, and with help from that heavy snow we were seeing earlier set up over for a bit of time. Now, I want to take a look over at what we're dealing with now. We're still seeing lots of that precipitation work its way in. Now shifted a bit east side, but we're starting to see more of that heavy precipitation back up into western Siskiyou County and even into southern Josephine County as well. So throughout the rest of our day, expect at times to possibly even be dealing with heavier rounds of precipitation. And we're going to keep a closer eye on the Mount Shasta area as well. If you're heading up to Mount Shasta Ski Park today, plan for definitely some difficult travel getting up to those slopes. So here's a look at what we can expect for those highs today. It's going to be on the chillier side. We're going to be mainly into the 30s for most of us across the region. Now, with them rising a little bit into your afternoon, you could see a little bit of a wintry mix into some areas, but overnight tonight, those temperatures are expected to plummet. We'll be back into the 20s for Medford and Grants Pass. East side will be over into lower teens and mid-teens for Northern California, and even some 30s along the coast, and the possibility to reach into the 20s for some. Because of that, we do have that freeze warning issued for coastal Curry County tomorrow morning. Make sure you're protecting those plants, pipes, and pets outdoors. Now, as we head through the rest of the day, snow levels don't expect to climb up that high. Again, like I mentioned, we have maybe the possibility for a few wintry mixes in throughout the rest of our day, but snow will drop rather quickly and stay rather low through the rest of the week. When it comes to the amount of snowfall through the rest of the day, again, it is going to be a little bit hit or miss depending on where we see those heavier showers set up. But compared to what we were seeing this morning from the Ashland, Talent, Phoenix area, not much more is looking to be added to the equation. Our winter weather advisories still sit in place through 10 a.m. on your Thursday. No changes to where those locations are. Same for those winter storm warnings. But you're wondering, why is it extended until, or why are we seeing them until your Thursday? I've been talking about it all week. We're going to see that next round of precipitation moved in, and we're going to have rather difficult travel over the passes and above about 2,000 feet through your Thursday, even for our west side valley. So timing out the rest of our day, we'll see pockets of heavier amounts of snowfall, I should say, through the rest of the day. And then as we head into the overnight hours, notice it does get a little bit quieter, showers a bit more hit or miss. Throughout your Wednesday, we'll be seeing the same thing. Better chance to see some of those showers will be along the coast. And then we'll see that next storm system begin to move in along the coast in the evening and then pick up in intensity as you head overnight into your Wednesday, into your Thursday morning. Looking at waking up to Thursday morning, pretty similar to what we're dealing with today, but maybe a little bit more widespread, reaching over east side into the morning as well. So here's what we're looking like so far as we hit your Wednesday night into your Thursday. We'll have an updated look at that through the next few days. So here's a look at your 7 days for the coast. We do have the possibility for a wintry mix into the morning tomorrow, especially with those rather chilly temperatures. Over into Northern California, we'll see more snow move in Thursday, but the end of the week is looking a bit drier, still staying chilly. Same deal over into the Klamath Basin with a bit more clouds for your Saturday. Difficult travel is expected through the pass the next 7 days, and into the Rogue Valley, we'll see that wintry weather continue through at least late Thursday.